Okay, so from today onwards, we are starting our new academic session, and I'm your math teacher. Chapter number one, integers. So already you have studied about integers in number line in previous class 6, and integers are just like collection of positive and negative numbers, including zero. Okay, so 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on, you don't know what is the last number here. Then in the same way, below 0, that is 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 and so on. Again, we don't know what will be the last number here. Clear? Then integers are generally denoted by I or Z. Okay, so here as you can see, 0 1 2 3, and these dots are uh, here, and these dots are representing that further we are having values just like 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and we don't know what will be the last positive number here. Clear? So that's why we are representing by dots. These dots are indicating that further we are having more values. Then on this side, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 and so on. Okay, so integers are usually denoted by capital I or Z, and minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 are called negative integers, while 1 2 3 are called positive integers, and 0 is taken as neutral, means uh, some are some informations are there, just like 0 is neither positive nor negative, so that's why it is written here 0 is taken as neutral. Okay, so positive integers we can write I plus or Z plus. Okay, just like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. Then negative integers are like I minus or Z minus, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Clear? Then our next topic is 1.2, multiplication of integers. So here are some rules for the product or multiplication of integers. The product of, simply the product is multiplication. The multiplication of two positive integers is always positive. Positive integers you know very well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and so on. So for example, 6 into 5, as you know 6 is a positive integer as well as 5. So 6 into 5 equals to 30. So 6 5s are 30. So product of two positive integers, 6 and 5, both are positive, and their product 30 is also a positive. Okay, so whenever you are having one positive integer and multiplication by another positive integer, your answer always a positive integer. Okay, then next is the product of one positive integer and one negative integer is always negative. One positive integer into one negative integer, your answer is always negative integer. Okay, as you can see, 5 into minus 9, so 5 9s are 45 and one negative sign is here, that's why we have to write minus 45. Some more examples, minus 6 into 3, as you know 6 3s are 18 and one negative sign we are having here, so we have to write minus 18. Clear? Then one more example, minus 11 into 3, only one negative sign is here, so 11 into 3 33 and along with negative sign, so minus 33 is your required answer. Okay, okay, then third is the product of two negative integers is always positive, means if we are multiplying a negative integer by another negative integer, so our answer is a positive integer. For example, if you are having minus 4 into minus 3, so minus into minus, whenever you are multiplying two negative signs, your answer is positive. So minus 4 into minus 3. So this minus into minus plus, and 4 3 ja 12. Usually we are not writing here plus symbol. We are not showing here. Okay. If you are having only 12, that indicates a positive value. Okay. One more example. Minus 3 into minus 8. So again minus into minus plus, and 3 8 ja 24. So 24 is your required answer. Next is, if the number of negative integers in a product is even, then the product is a positive integer. Number of negative integers in a product is even. In even means what? For example, minus 2 into minus 3. As you can see in this example, we are having here only two integers, minus 2 and minus 3. As you can see, we are having here one negative sign and another negative sign. Two negative signs we are having here. So whenever you are multiplying even number of negative signs, whenever you are multiplying even number of negative signs, your answer will be positive. So minus 2 and minus 3, minus into minus plus into 3 ja 6. But whenever you are multiplying minus 2 into minus 5, as you can see, we are having here three integers, minus 2 and minus 5. So this minus into minus plus, but what about this? This is single negative sign here, because this minus and minus turns into plus. Only one negative sign we are having here. So minus 2 into minus 2 will give you plus 4, and into minus 5, 4 5 ja 20, one negative sign. Clear? ये minus 2 और minus 5, तो दो नेगेटिव साइन जब मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं तो वो प्लस हो जाते हैं. तो माइनस 2 और माइनस 2 का प्लस 4 हो जाएगा. सिर्फ एक नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ पे रहेगा, और वो नेगेटिव साइन आपका लास्ट आंसर में आएगा. इसलिए यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है कि जब आप नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स का जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, अगर आपके पास इवन में है तो आपका आंसर पॉजिटिव आता है. जैसे ये माइनस 2 और माइनस 3, दो नेगेटिव साइन है एंड 2 इज़ अ इवन नंबर. So minus 2 minus 3 will give you plus 6. But if you are having three negative numbers, so your answer is negative. Okay. Okay. So here is the summary of this video. Integers are denoted by I or Z. Integers are just like negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Remember, 1.4 is not an integer. Is not an integer. Minus 1.3 again not an integer. Why? Because only digits we are considering. Decimals are not integers. Okay. Then 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's neutral. And if we are having positive integers, we are representing by I plus or Z plus. If we are having negative integers, so I minus or Z minus. Okay. Then multiplication of integers. If we are multiplying minus 5 and minus 3, means two negative integers. Minus 5 negative integer, minus 3 negative integer. Minus 5 minus 3, minus into minus plus, and 5 3 ja 15. If we are multiplying one negative integer and one positive integer, so your answer will be in negative. So minus 8 into 3, minus 25. Okay. Then two positive integers, 3 into 3, answer again a positive integer, which is 9. Okay. So multiplication of integers is over now. Our next topic is properties of multiplication of integers, which I will explain in next video.